Good morning, dear student. How are you? I hope you all are well and taking good care of your study as well as your health. Dear student, we have already completed types of angle in last part, and in that part we have learned what is zero angle, what is acute angle, what is obtuse angle, and what is right angle. Now in this part we are going to learn about straight angle, reflex angle, complete angle. Okay. Now come to our next type of angle, that is fifth one, straight angle. Now what is straight angle? An angle whose measure is 180 is called straight angle. Means an angle whose measure is exactly 180 degree. This kinds of angle is called straight angle. As you can see in the diagram, here it is our point. Okay. So here our first arm is BC and second arm of angle is AB, and both are going in opposite direction and forming a straight line. So if it is forming a straight line, then its measure is 180 degree. Okay. So here measure angle ABC is equal to 180 degree. How we can identify this? If both rays are going in opposite direction, then in this case this kinds of angle will be known as straight angle. Now coming to your next types of angle, that is reflex angle. Now what is the reflex angle? An angle whose measure is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. What I say? More than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. This kinds of angle is known as reflex angle. As you can see here in the diagram, I have drawn an angle ABC and the measure of this angle is 200. Now 200 is more than 180 but it is less than 360. So angle ABC will be known as reflex angle. I have already written here on the board an angle whose measure is greater than 180 and less than 360 is called a reflex angle. Here you can see in the diagram 200 is more than 180 but it is less than 360. So symbolically we can write angle ABC is greater than 180 but it is less than 360. So this kinds of angle will be known as reflex angle. Now our next types of angle is complete angle. Suppose it is our first arm ABC, and if I am going to draw an angle which will completely fall on this arm itself, जो इसी आर्म पे आएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये BC है. अगर आपने यहाँ से एंगल बनाया और जो एंगल का जो दूसरा आर्म होता है, दिस इज योर फर्स्ट आर्म, दिस इज योर सेकेंड आर्म, अगर ये घूमते हुए बराबर इसी आर्म पे आए और दोनों एक के ऊपर एक हो, मतलब तो here there is the formation of complete circle, and as we know the measure of complete circle is 360. So here and the measure of angle will be also 360. So an angle whose measure is 360 is called a complete angle. So here the measure of angle ABC is equal to 360 degree. So dear student, this was all about types of angle. The first types of angle was zero. In that the measure of angle will be zero. Second was acute angle, means an angle whose measure is more than zero but less than 90 is known as acute angle. Our third type of angle was obtuse angle. Obtuse angle are those angles whose measure is more than 90 but less than 180. So this kinds of angle is known as obtuse angle. Our fourth type was right angle. Right angle means what? An angle whose measure is exactly 90 degree. Now straight angle means what? An angle whose measure is equal to 180 degree. It means here a formation of straight line will be there. Okay, as you can see in the diagram. Sixth one, reflex angle means what? An angle whose measure is more than 180 but less than 360. And finally come to our last types of angle, that is complete angle. in this a formation of complete circle will be there, hence it is known as complete angle, and its measure will be 360. Now finishing that once, we can start our next exercise. Please do practice set 2. In that, the first question is given, match the following. As you can see that in the table, left hand side it is given measure of the angle. On right hand side it is given the types of angle, and we have to match the column. Now first one, it is given 180. Now as I told you here, an angle whose measure is 180 degree is known as straight angle. So here straight angle is given in the B part. Okay, sorry, here it is given in the B row. So you can write here answer of first 180 is equal to straight angle. Right here straight angle. Now second one is given 240. Now you can apply your mind here. 240 is more than 180, but it is less than 360. So which kinds of angle will be this? This will be a kinds of reflex angle, because a reflex angle is an angle which is more than 180 but less than 360. So here 240 degree is equal to what? It will be a reflex angle. So right here reflex angle. Now third one is given 360. A 360 is a complete angle. Okay. Why because it is complete angle? Because there is a formation of complete circle, and the measure of complete circle is always 360. So this will be known as your complete angle. Complete angle. Right here answer complete angle. And finally the fourth one is given 0. By the number itself it is clear, it is 0 angle. So right here 0 angle. So this was all about your question number 1. Now move towards the question number 2. The measure of some angles are given below. Write what types of angle they are. Means here the measure is given, as you can see on the blackboard, and you have to state which types of angle these all are. Now you can see here first one 75. 75 is more than 0 but less than 90. So this which kinds of angle this will be? This will be an angle of acute, because it is more than 90 but less than, sorry, more than 0 but less than 90. So right here acute angle. Okay, that will be your answer. Only that much you have to write it. Second, it is given 0. 0 by the number itself it is clear. It is 0 angle. So right here answer 0 angle. Your third one you can see here it is 215, and 215 is more than 180 but less than 360. So which kinds of angle this will be, dear student? It will be a reflex angle. So right here reflex angle. Move towards question number 4. 360. 360 means what? Your complete circle. So it is complete angle, because the measure of complete angle is always 360 degree. So it is your complete angle. Next one, it is given 180. 180, as you can see here, it is forming a two opposite ray. Okay, so here the measure of angle ABC is equal to 180. So 180 is always known as straight angle. So you can write here straight angle. Next one, sixth one, it is given 120 degree. 120 is more than 90 but less than 180. So which kinds of angle this will be? This will be an angle of obtuse. So right here obtuse angle. Similarly, question number 7, it is given 148. It is also more than 1, it is more than 90 but less than 180. So which kinds of angle this will be? This will be also an angle of obtuse. To write obtuse angle. And finally, it is given 90 degree. 90 degree means what? Your right angle. Okay, to write here right angle, because the measure of right angle is always 90 degree. So this was all about your question number 1 and question number 2. The remaining question we will see in our next part. And dear students, you have to write all this in your class work notebook. Okay, so this much is enough for today, and we will do remaining part later. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.